on the train right now. Going home. Why are you giving me the death stare?
Because we're soaking wet and we look ugly.
Yeah, and you're putting it on camera.
Let's see what's in my purse.
Joy, no one cares about what's in your purse.
I care what's in my purse.
No one else does though. No one's gonna watch that stupid video.
I got
Here, give me.
gum.
Joy, give her the
What?
Now approaching Mrs.
Hello. We are on the train going home from Chicago, and as you can see, it was raining now. We are soaking wet. Yep, soaking wet. There's Lisa and Jory
and Mary.
Hello. Okay, here you go. There, that's the important part.
Alrighty then. Bye, I guess.
Just remember, we're on the train.
Huh?
This is the train.
What about the train?
I'm just saying we're on the train.
Okay.
I'm just telling everyone we're on the train.
Okay.
God, Jory.
You're on the train.
I'm soaking wet right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's take it. Can I have mine? Yeah. Or I'll just take this one. Yeah, just take that. I'm so glad my book didn't do it.
My phone.
Yeah, that's cool.
Showing everyone what's in my purse. My camera. My glasses. This Percy thingy. Some gum. The train ticket. It says to June 16th to Brookfield, Illinois. Brookfield, Illinois. Yeah. See. Yeah. It was boring. I'm going. I guess.
This one's wet. Go. Just turn it off. Don't say you're gonna go and then not.
Fine. Fine, I'll go. Bye.